Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. So this is my second unit that I reviewed since I've been back. So I hope I slayed this one to the gods. This one I actually really like. So this unit was sent to me from OMGqueen Hair. So this is the Boss Vivian Pre-plucked Jerry Curl 360 lace front wig. This is part of their affordable virgin Brazilian hair. So this is a natural color. It's virgin Brazilian hair. This is Jerry curl texture. This is about 20 inches long and it's 180% density. So this is a 360 wig. So you get about like 4.5 to 5 inches of parting space in the front. And you also get like 2 inches in the back as well. This one is a medium cap size. So I'm a medium to average cap size. And this one is a medium brown lace color. So I always get medium brown from all the hair companies. So this one does come with the elastic band that I did show you guys in the beginning. So I did put my elastic band all the way to the end, and I did do the 2 adjustable straps just to maybe like the 3rd hook. So basically this unit, I did go ahead and glue it down. I used the Got2b glue, the yellow one, and just a little bit of my Aussie Instant Freeze just to hold the front down. So this unit, guys, is pre-plucked AF #1. I did not have to pluck too much here. The only thing I did was pluck the ear type section to open it up so you guys have that very natural flow through. Now this hair company is definitely very skillful with this one. And another thing with this hair company, guys, they always have sales, they always have deals. So I would definitely insert a coupon code down below, including their current promotions that they have going on. So like I said, I didn't do anything as far as tweezing. This came pre-tweezed, pre-plucked, all that kind of whatever you want to call it. They did also bleach this one as well, and their bleaching job was just right. They didn't overdo it, they did it just perfect. So what I did do is just go ahead and open the ear tab section up. Like I said, I like to have the ear tab section open enough so therefore it looks like a nice transition through. I do feel like my powder was, I had like some extra powder on it, so it did give me like a little bit of lighter cast off. So I am just going to go in with some hydrogen peroxide and just remove it off of it. But overall, I said hydrogen peroxide alcohol. Overall, I think that this unit is so cute. So I was going to wear it down style. I showed you guys it down, just regular. So I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 ponytails. Obviously, I split it so you guys can see some of the laces still noticeable. So even if someone were to catch me the wrong way that they thought they would just be seeing nothing but pure scalpage. So this unit is popping. Definitely a nice curl pattern. To me, this is not so much of a Jerry curl pattern. This is kind of like a nice, soft, curly, really kind of light. Maybe I would say it is a Jerry curl pattern, but it's not like the real Jerry curl pattern. It's a very nice, light, delicate pattern, which I really think is very nice. It looks very realistic. Like, I'm probably gonna have to wear this bad boy for about 3 days, even though I'm not going anywhere because I'm still recovering. But I think this wig is dope AF, guys, and it's super realistic. Honestly, I didn't even have to glue this down, but I wanted to glue it down because I knew that the lace was capable of, you know, melting very nicely. So this is what I call a meltdown, baby, meltdown. I didn't even do baby hairs like that. I just did like a little swoop here off camera, and that's it. Everything else is molded and sculpted to go right straight through. Now, come on, guys, like, look at that. Come on, sis. So I did show you this downwards. You can go ahead and do like little space buttons if you want, if you're kind of into that kind of look. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna, oh, that'd actually be cute. Festival season is still on and popping, so maybe I have like a festival to go to this summer. I will probably just do a hairstyle like that. When I was cutting the lace off this, I originally was like, oh man, maybe I'll probably sell this for like if I have a wig sale. But then I thought about it after I cut it and then melted it, and I was like, sis, I can't sell this one. So you're definitely gonna have to check out OMGqueen here to pick up your own unit like this. I think it's very pretty. Would I get into 20-inch? Probably not. I'll probably get this one in the 18 or 16. You guys know I like the 18 and 16 inches for the summer, spring and summertime. So that would be something I would do, but let's go, guys. This is gonna be a summer banger right here. It's a really, really nice summer wig. If you're looking for a wig that's pre-made for the summertime, this is super pretty and super nice. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from OMGqueenhair.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.